The 2019 GMC Terrain uses GM's IntelliLink infotainment platform, which integrates touchscreen controls, audio systems, and smartphone connectivity. However, this system is known for several persistent issues. The most frequently reported problems include black screens on startup, complete audio system failures, unresponsive touchscreens, Bluetooth connectivity issues, and random system freezes or reboots. These issues typically stem from five main root causes: software corruption from incomplete updates, hardware component failures, poor electrical connections, temperature-related stress on circuits, and memory overflow that crashes the system. You're not alone with these problems. Approximately 15 to 20% of 2019 GMC Terrain owners have reported infotainment issues. Black screen problems account for 45% of complaints, while audio failures represent 30% of reported issues. Understanding these common issues and their root causes is the first step toward finding effective solutions. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting methods and repair options. When your 2019 GMC Terrain infotainment system fails, start with the simplest solution: a soft reset. This fixes about 60 to 70% of temporary issues. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the vehicle's 12-volt battery. This more aggressive approach can resolve persistent software issues. Next, check the fuses. Look for fuses F42 for the radio and F31 for the infotainment system in the instrument panel fuse box. Blown fuses are common after electrical surges. If basic troubleshooting fails, visit a GM dealership for software updates. The current software version should be 8414797 or newer to address known bugs and compatibility issues. For persistent issues, the infotainment control module may need replacement. This professional repair costs between $800 and $1,500, including labor, but has an 85% success rate. Important warranty information: GM has extended coverage for some units to 8 years or 80,000 miles. Technical Service Bulletin TSB 20NF355 specifically addresses black screen issues, though no official recall has been issued as of 2025. Remember to document specific symptoms and conditions when failures occur. This information helps technicians provide accurate diagnosis and more effective repairs.